Cutting up cucumbers for the pasta salad. Now I gotta cut up the tomato and the onion. Frying up that bacon. And I gotta stir the pasta. I'm using macaroni noodles, as you can see.
A few moments later.
I'm draining the pasta noodles. I'll rinse them with cold water. And of course lose some in the process. That's alright. Let them cool down for a minute. Alright, now that we've gotten that cooled down so it'll quit cooking, let that drain for a few. Then we'll put that in the bowl and we'll start adding our tomato, onion, and cucumbers to it.
Later.
Alright, I got the bacon, cucumbers, onion, tomato, noodles all in this bowl. Go ahead and put the garlic powder and my ranch dressing. I'm going to put some pepper. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. Don't want much. And I'm not going to try to do this with one hand. So I'm going to get off screen and mix this up. And then what you want to do is put it in the refrigerator, let it chill for at least an hour, 2 hours best. And this is what we're going to have for supper tonight. Alright, done mixing. Don't that look good? Just got to put it in the refrigerator, let it chill. I did find some cheese. A half a block of cheese. I didn't put the whole half a block, but I did crumble some in there, as you see. You can see right there. Of course, I'm going to take a bite. Try to get a little of everything. Perfect. Alright. So, that's so good. Make you some pasta salad. Whether it's like a summer type pasta salad like this with the cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, with ranch and bacon and cheese, or however you like your pasta salad. If you've never tried pasta salad, make your own. Like, subscribe, comment what's your favorite pasta salad. Give me some new ideas to try pasta salad. Thank you for being here. I'll see you on the flip side. God bless.